Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a superlink using Zaptroll. First, let's quickly understand what a superlink is. A superlink is basically a shortened link from your desired platform that opens directly inside the app instead of a browser. For example, let's say you want to share your YouTube video link on Instagram. Normally, if someone clicks it from your bio or story, it opens in Instagram's built-in browser, which is slow and doesn't let users like or subscribe easily. But with a superlink, the same link will open directly in the YouTube app, making it easy for viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Now, let's see how to create one. Go to your Zaptroll dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Superlink and then select Add Superlink. Enter the name you want to give and paste the redirect URL. This can be your YouTube video, Amazon product, or any other link. Finally, click on Add Link. And that's it. Your superlink is ready to use. You can now share it anywhere and give your audience a smoother experience.